At Physical Therapy at St. Luke's, our memory care program is designed for adults who start struggling with things like attention, concentration, word finding, and memory. Our speech therapists evaluate and treat patients with cognitive and communication disorders. Our occupational therapists assist patients regarding their independence with activities of daily living. They look at functional vision changes. It's never too early or too late to start healthy habits for your body and brain. If you're starting to notice changes in your cognitive status, whether it's becoming more forgetful or tripping over your words, it's always good to just get a full evaluation done by one of our therapists to kind of get an idea of what that baseline is, talk to you if you would benefit from therapy. If you're diagnosed with an early onset dementia or you're at high risk for it, it's important to get in soon so we can give you those tools now to hopefully slow any sort of progression.